How to find upload contact settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find upload contacts settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings and then you will find here this one, upload contacts. Just click on it, this one, and as you see here you can manage upload contact settings. Just turn it off or turn it on, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.